Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be about how to do hair spa at home. So I would be using this hair spa that is from Schwarzkopf and it's called Spa Essence. So this bottle comes for 660 rupees and it has a quantity of 500 ml. So definitely a very good amount of spa that you are getting in such a affordable amount. So let's begin with how to do hair spa at home. So let's begin with the hair spa. The first step is get your hair washed. Basically you need wet hairs to apply your mask. So I have taken the mask in a bowl and I'm adding few drops of the serum that is Leave-On. You can add any serum that you have. I have mixed the mask and serum, so let's apply and see how the mask works. So I have done the left side, now I will be doing the right side. So guys, as you can see, both the sides are done and mask is applied on all my hair. So the next step is basically massaging your head. So you need to massage for around 10 to 15 minutes. So let's do it. Step is keeping your hairs like this for 10 to 15 minutes, and after that I would be doing the steaming part. So basically for steaming you need a steamer if you have, or you can use a hot towel, or you can also use basically a cap and then you hair dry it. So basically steaming is really good for hairs. It will help the spa to get absorbed in your hair. So yeah, and this spa is really good for chemical hairs if you have colored hairs. So this is a really good mask and at a very affordable price that you can do at home very easily. So guys, please do try this out and let me know in the comments. So guys, now for the steaming part I would be using this shower cap and I would be blow drying this so that it creates steaming effect. I've done the steaming part. Now I will be waiting for 10 to 15 minutes so that the temperature of my hair gets normal, and after that I'll rinse off my hair. And you don't need to use any shampoo after this spa. So let's wait for the results. So guys, I have washed my hair and this is the final result. So my hair are more smoother and straighter. So definitely I would like to recommend this mask. Please do try it at home. It's very affordable and very easy to use. So let me know in the comments if you like it and your review regarding it. And please do subscribe to my channel and like this video if it's helpful. Thank you.